Hello everyone. Finally, Royal Enfield company uploaded one more new teaser of upcoming Royal Enfield 650 cruiser bike. Basically, it is a second teaser of this upcoming bike. In this teaser, we can see the fuel tank of this upcoming bike and Royal Enfield company branding on fuel tank, and we can also see that lots of stars on the teaser. The company also highlighted the name of upcoming models, which is Interstellar, Celestial and Astral. But in the first teaser, we can see the rear section of this upcoming cruiser bike, and the spy shots of Royal Enfield Super Meteor 650 cruiser bike is almost same. So there is a chances the company will be debut Royal Enfield Super Meteor 650 cruiser bike on 8 November of 2022, and the another models also expected to be debut. So finally, talking about the engine specifications of this upcoming cruiser bike. In this bike we will be get 648cc parallel twin engine, and this engine is capable to generate a peak output power of 47 bhp and 52 Newton meter peak output torque also. And the same engine is also used in Continental GT and Interceptor 650 cruiser bike. So definitely it is a powerful engine which gives best performance, and in this upcoming 650 cruiser bike we will also get 6-speed manual gearbox. In terms of looking, this upcoming cruiser bike will be launched in classic retro look, and definitely it will be attract the pupils by its looking. So talking about the features, in the front section of this bike we will be get circular headlamp, rear view mirrors, curvy fuel tank design, new graphics, twin exhaust and broad rear fender. And in the tail section we will also get circular tail lamp, new design single dual seat option, blacked out effects on body panels. These are the basic features will be offered in this upcoming bike. So after that, talking about the key features of this bike, it will be get semi-digital instrument cluster. The cluster will be offered analog speedometer, digital trip meter, digital odometer, and maybe it will be get Bluetooth connectivity also. In the top variants of this bike, the company will be offered triple navigation system. Because of its, the pricing will be slightly increased. So talking about the pricing of this bike, the upcoming 650 cruiser bike pricing is not confirmed yet, but expected ex-showroom pricing is around 3 lakh to 3.5 lakh rupees. So throughout the first uploaded teaser of this cruiser bike will be get alloy wheels. The size of front wheel is around 19 inch and rear wheel is around 17 inch. And the braking duty is handled by the disc brake. We will be get disc brake on both the wheels, and the disc brake are offered with dual channel ABS system. And the suspension duty are handled by USD fork suspension at front. It will provide control and handling while braking at high speeds, and twin shock absorber suspension at rear, which will be gives smooth and comfortable riding experience. So these are the basic features and specifications of this upcoming 650 cruiser bike. It will be launched soon in India. So hopefully you like it. Make sure to like our video and subscribe to our channel. So thank you for watching.